Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX HOT 20 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. First of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to go to the very top to find my phone. Now let's scroll down, find build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check the video about it, especially in this device. I've just recorded it, so if you want to just check it. So now after activating the developer options, we have to scroll down to the system settings, tap on the developer options, and here basically all you have to do is to simply find the automatic system updates. Just tap on the switcher and from now on this option is active, which simply means that your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to do it manually, just remember about restarting your device from time to time. Of course you can turn it off the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your INFINIX HOT 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.